Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So for this video, I wanted to come up with some new styles while I have my knotless box braids in, and I figured why not just turn that into another styling video. So that's what we're doing today. Now I have a total of 10 styles. Yes, 10 styles that I will be attempting to do today. Hopefully they all turn out to be great, but these styles should be easy enough for you guys to try and do on your own, whether you have knotless box braids or if you have twist, whatever style that you are currently rocking that's a protective style, you can do these styles and keep it looking fresh, because I'm running low on styles and I'm like, you know what, before I take this out, let me see what else I can do to just keep my hair looking cute, especially when it starts getting frizzy at the roots and you just need new ideas before you decide, you know what, I'm done with this style. So anyways, as far as tools, I am only using scrunchies, elastic rubber bands, and hairpins. Those are the only things that I need for this video. Now that we know the tools, now that we know we have 10 styles on the way, this may be a lengthy video, but definitely you want to tune in because you'll have so many options. Let's get into this starting now. try out some of these styles. They were honestly like really cute and super easy to do, and I feel like you can rock these styles whether you're going to work or you're on a Zoom call, or if you're hanging out with your friends, or even if you have like a formal event that you have to go to and you just want to revamp your protective style. Definitely these will be your key style. So hopefully you guys try these out. Let me know in the comment section if you do or not. Other than that, thanks for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you guys again real soon. So make sure you tune in, and I'll see ya.